Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is tiny tacos. That's right, we're making tacos that are teeny, and they're perfect size for me, but bite size for everyone else. And they're really, really good, and it's really easy. So watch this recipe and give it a try. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Hi everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we are making a fun recipe today, which could also be used for Taco Tuesday. It is beef and bean tiny tacos. They look so fun, and it's pretty easy. So we've got a pound of ground meat. We're using ground venison. And then after it was browned, I just added half a cup of water and a packet of taco seasoning. And so the taco seasoning we're using is Siete. It's gluten-free. Yep, and mild taco seasoning. So I poured that in there with half a cup of water. And we're just mixing that together and let it flavor up and then take it off the heat. So doing that, then you're also going to want to preheat your oven. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's preheating right now. You need some round bite-sized tortilla chips. Yes, that is right. These are going to become your tiny tacos. Then you also need some refried beans. Now, try to get it to can, but the store was out. So this is a microwave pack, and we're using black beans because I do better with those than I do pinto beans. So we're doing black in the microwave. Just put it in there for a minute, and those will be ready to use. So while this stuff is settling out, I will get these heated up and then show you what to do. Now it's time to assemble. Avengers assemble. Now these are bite-sized. They were out of the ones I ordered. I ordered the Mission round tortilla chips. I bet those are a little bigger. These are not just mini tacos. They are teeny tiny tacos. But anyway, you spread some of your refried beans on each chip first with a knife. And then you put on a little bit of meat onto every tiny taco. And then you put cheese. And we're using my BioLife Mexican style shreds. You use whatever cheese you want. Then you're going to put them in the oven, the 350 degree oven, for 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'll show you what to do to finish them. Okay, everybody, they're done. And they are the cutest things ever. Just look at them. Just look at them. The tiny tacos. They're so cute. So, I mean, these are real tiny. Again, if it had been not a bite size and maybe a, bigger chip, it would have been even easier, but these are perfect. They're a one bite taco. So basically, once you take them out of the oven, which I did 6 minutes, I think on my next batch, which I'm fixing to make, I'm going to do 7 minutes, a little bit longer. But the beans soften up the chip, and then you just fold them over, and they become little tacos. Aren't they just so cute? And you can dip them in whatever. I'm making guacamole, or if you have taco sauce, or if you want to use Daisy sour cream ranch dip, whatever you want to use to dip them in. Or salsa, but they are so good. They're so good, and they're just a bite-sized, literally one bite little taco, and so yummy. So give them a try. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. Happy Monday or Taco Tuesday.